Forget standard electric family transport. Geely has officially broken cover on its absolute sharpest performance flagship yet, the all-new 2027 Geely Galaxy TT Ultra Global Racing Edition. Look past the aggressive fastback profile because this low-slung, 5-meter coupe is engineered to completely disrupt the raw metrics of the pure electric sports sedan segment. Run the engineering diagnostics on this chassis. Underpinned by a cutting-edge 800-volt high-voltage architecture, the Galaxy TT Ultra deploys a high-performance dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain. A 180-kilowatt electric motor drives the front axle, while a massive 245-kilowatt motor pins the rear, combining to output a violent 578 horsepower. It shreds the 0-100 sprint in just 3.8 seconds. But the true behavioral weapon is the dedicated steering wheel button. Pressing it activates a specialized 20-second overboost mode, dumping an extra 400 Nm of instant overclocked torque to maximize absolute straight-line velocity. Paired with a drag coefficient of just 0.22, active cooling grille shutters, and a carbon fiber rear diffuser, this machine commands absolute premium authority. Pivot directly into the competitive arena, because the Galaxy TT Ultra was explicitly formulated to kill the massive market hype of one primary target, the Xiaomi SU7. When you run the digital telemetry head-to-head, this quickly transforms into a high-stakes technology and ecosystem war. Xiaomi leverages its massive smartphone integration legacy, but Geely fires back aggressively by deploying the next-generation Flyme Auto 2.0 digital cockpit inside the TT Ultra. Running high-compute silicon, it features a track mode layout that displays real-time G-forces, motor thermal output, and higher telemetry with absolute zero latency. On the charging front, the Galaxy takes the technical lead, implementing an ultra-fast 6C charging profile on its 75.2 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack. The system adds an incredible 400 kilometers of range in just 11 minutes flat, completely outcharging Xiaomi's standard high-voltage platforms. The dynamic threat matrix gets even more complex when you analyze Geely's internal corporate structure, because the Galaxy TT Ultra must fight an intense sibling rivalry against the premium Zeekr 007. Both performance sedans share Geely's master engineering DNA, but their target demographics are completely polarized. The Zeekr 007 relies on a more minimalist, luxury-focused tech aesthetic. In stark contrast, the Galaxy TT Ultra utilizes a highly responsive front double wishbone and 5-link independent rear suspension augmented by CCD electromagnetic dampers and a predictive magic carpet road scanning matrix. It outhandles the Zeekr in high-speed cornering stability. Beyond Geely's ecosystem, the TT Ultra confronts the BYD Seal AWD performance. While the BYD Seal weaponizes its integrated structural blade battery and proven thermal stability, it lacks the aggressive engineering theatricality of the Galaxy's 20-second overboost torque dump. The TT Ultra simply delivers a sharper, more visceral driver's environment. Let's deliver a highly definitive, clinical conclusion. Does the Galaxy TT Ultra hold the absolute structural advantage required to systematically crush this cutthroat segment? Analyze the market positioning with pure logic. If you are a consumer who prioritizes ultimate trunk utility, demands a traditional, soft, isolated highway cruiser, or simply wants a basic, low-compute electric commuter vehicle, this high-downforce, track-focused fastback is far more aggressive than your lifestyle requires. You do not buy a dual-motor, overboosted mechanical weapon just to sit passively in bumper-to-bumper traffic. But if you demand absolute performance supremacy, cutting-edge 6C charging speeds, and a digital cockpit that matches the seamless fluidity of a premium smartphone, the Galaxy TT Ultra stands as a massive technical triumph. By offering 578 horsepower, predictive chassis dampening, and advanced LiDAR autonomous driving capabilities inside the highly competitive 200,000 renminbi price bracket, Geely has built a genuinely terrifying weapon. They have systematically weaponized their massive manufacturing scale to deliver track-level telemetry at a mainstream price point, completely rewriting the price-to-performance equation for the entire industry. The structural execution here is undeniably brilliant. Geely did not just build another generic electric sedan, They engineered a highly optimized, high-voltage platform designed to exploit every single competitive weakness in Xiaomi's armor. From the rapid thermal management during peak torque deployment to the blistering recovery speeds of the 6C charging profile, the engineering metrics dictate that this car is an absolute force to be reckoned with. It forces the entire premium segment to step up their game or risk being completely left behind in the dust. I'm Ava. Tell me in the comments below, would you deploy your capital on this overboosted Galaxy TT Ultra, or does Xiaomi still own your loyalty? Hit that subscribe button right now, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next deep dive.